Hey, what's up, folks? Mike here, Nettle Gold. I wanted to take a second to show you all a real quick tutorial about how to change the volume and definition of your beard. So, first thing, as you can see, you gotta have some beard. I got some beard there, and there's two ways I like to handle it. So, one is I take the comb, the wooden oil-infused comb from Nettle Gold, of course, and I comb down, right? So I detangle, comb down. Also stroking. Stroking is also very important. You gotta stroke very much. You gotta stroke it a lot to get the result you want. All right, so this one right here, as you can see, is more of a downward, streamlined kind of look. All right, this is really good if you're going for a lengthier look. You know, you're going for something for a lot of some gains. You want to show off gains, beard gains. This is really good for that. And you can couple it with a brushing to bring it all down as well. Also added a little bit of Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner there to give a nice sheen. Don't forget the mustache. Okay, so that's how I get a longer, lengthier look for the beard, you can see there. Then, if you want to make it like wolfier, bushier, you know, you want to go down, up. So I start at the bottom, work through those kinks that you can see already. So they're starting to stick out there. Now, just want to pick through ever so gently. There you go. Then I like to get really in there, a little manhandly. Right there, there we go. There we go. There we go, that's it right there. As you can see there's a bit of a wolfier difference. Can you all see that? I can try to hit the mustache. My mustache is a little shorter than usual. But yeah. So these are the two here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do one half. So this half's gonna be bushy. I'll make this half streamline. Just come straight down. And back to the brush. Just a little bit of like that. So yeah, that's you can actually see the difference between these two. But that's the difference there. This one's a lot longer on this side. You know, actually, let me see. Do I have a this may help. Just grabbing one of these baby wipes here so you can see the difference. Maybe. I don't know if you all can see it. It's there though. It's really there. I don't know, comment below if you all can see the difference. I can clearly see a difference in volume between the two sides, but I'm unsure if you all are able to because of insufficient lighting in this bathroom. So yeah, with that being said, that's going to be the end of this little tutorial here. Gentlemen or ladies, if you want to bush your beard down up, you want a more streamlined, fast-paced, flash sonic kind of beard, up down. You know, and just keep in mind that the beard is going to lose a lot more moisture because of where it's located. It's on the face, so it's going to drip down. So if you got anything in your shirt, be careful of that and make sure you moisturize and hydrate your beard appropriately and lock in that moisture overnight so that you can look as good as I do in the morning. Understood? Cool. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh, man. Ears dirty. Always make sure you wash behind your ears. Clean by your ears if you can. A little bit of rubbing alcohol. You'll be good to go. So words are wise, they're gents. You don't want the lady licking on your neck, tasting back your ears, and she tastes whatever you got back there. All right, so with that being said, have a good night. Catch you all later. Enjoy yourselves. Ciao.